Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the repost option not showing on TikTok. So I'll be showing you various methods on how you can fix that. All you have to do is watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your account. So first of all, let me show you how you can report. So for that, open up your TikTok. So let's say that I want to report this following video. So in order to do that, you'll have to tap on the share icon or the arrow icon, which is in the right hand side corner, and then a pop-up appears, and then you can see in the top left corner there's a repost option. So you'll tap on it and then you'll be able to repost it, but in some case you might not be able to see your repost option. Now in order to fix that, first method is by updating your application. So in order to update your application, just go back to your home screen and then tap on your Play Store application, and after that on the search box type in TikTok. So you can see that just next to TikTok I have open button. Now instead of open, if you have an update, then it means an update is available. So all you have to do is just tap on it, and after updating your application you might be able to fix your problem. So then after updating your application as well, if you're still unable to fix it, then another reason might be that the content creator or the account holder might have turned off the repost option. In that case, what else you can do is just simply tap on the share icon once again right in the corner, and after that just tap on save video, and after you're done downloading or saving the video, go back to your account. Let's say that you have another situation like you cannot find repost option in any of the other TikTok videos. So in that case, what you can do is just simply go back to your home screen once again and then long press on your TikTok application and then tap on app info. On the other page, you'll have to tap on storage. And after you tap on storage, now you'll have to tap on clear cache. So once you tap on clear cache, you might also want to clear data. Just tap on clear data or clear storage. Just tap on OK. So then keeping in mind, after you tap on clear data and cache, all your information along with the history will be deleted. So which means that you'll have to log in once again, and after you log in into your account, then you might be able to fix your problem. Now in case if you cannot fix it, then another option is to restart your device. Like sometimes it might be a problem with the device and not with the application. So then try restarting your device. So after following all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, so the last option what you can do is just simply delete your application and then reinstall your new TikTok application. So that might be able to fix your problem. So that is how you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.